Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Mariah. This is going to be a guest room style clean with me video, and I had just gotten back from a trip, and this is kind of where everything landed. It just exploded all over the place. This room tends to become my catch-all area, so got some tidying up to do. First off, I'm just going to be hanging up all of my clothes and putting them away. I'm going to be using the Method Sea Salt and Lime All-Purpose Cleaner to just give everything a nice wipe down. Now this is where I keep all of my hair supplies, and this is Zabby Bear. That's my puppy. He's a mini Aussie and he's almost a year old. Gonna be in June. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. These are the wipes I'm going to be using for my computer today, and they work pretty good. Also, does anyone else cover their webcam because they feel like they're being watched? I cover every single camera in our house because that just gives me the creeps. Here is a couple of our wedding photos from our little photo booth that we had. And so I just have to go put them in this little wedding frame that I have here.
If you still want me, and we will never be apart. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. I try, and then I mess it up. That's the story of my life. Say yes, I'm at the coffee shop where we used to go at night. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. You and me.
Next, I'm just filling up my diffuser, and I'm going to be using this grapefruit essential oil I got from Hobby Lobby. Then I'm just giving my shutters a quick Swiffer to get all the dust off. Here comes Zabdi again. He's making his appearance. Then I'm going to be using the glass method cleaner to clean this mirror. And to be honest, I really don't like this. I'm just trying to use it up. It's super streaky. I'm sure if you used it, you can attest to that.
Gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding.
And lastly, I'm just gonna vacuum the whole room.
We'll be running with the lions, lions.
Does anyone else's dog like to chase the vacuum? I think he thinks he's protecting me.
Tell me, cause I'm looking out for you. This can't keep going on, no. Cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if it gave you some cleaning motivation. Talk to y'all next time. Bye.